Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create dependency in monday.com. It's quite easy. Firstly, you will see the dashboard, and just right here we need to choose the project or choose the board where we're gonna create dependency. In my case, this is the board right here. So just click on that, and here you're gonna see all the tasks you have put it here. So if you look at here, we have this plus button, and if we click on that, we will able to add column here. So we need to search dependency here. Just click on the option dependency and you will see that the column has been successfully added there. Once you do that, you will see window like this, and here they want you to choose the dependency mode. By default they have selected flexible, and if you go with flexible means only the dependent task moves when the dependency changes. For example, if task A is delayed, only task B shift forward. And if we talk about strict, so strict means the entire chain of connected tasks moves together. So if task A is delayed, task B and task C also move. And last is no action. No action means only the task you are updating changes and the dependency stays the same. So basically, in short, choose flexible if you want individual updates, strict if you want the whole project timeline to ship, and no action if you only want to adjust one task. Next option we have is to choose column for dependencies. By default they have selected date, because in my board I have added date column. So if it is timeline, date, whatever in your case, you can choose that from here, as well as you can create new column too. I'm gonna go with date. Click on save, and you will see that they have added dependency column. In order to put dependencies here on the current task, you can just click on the plus button and they're gonna add dependencies for the current task. So let's say I wanna add this one in the dependencies. I can select that, this one too, and yeah, you can see that they have added tasks here in the dependencies for this particular task. Then if you look at here on the right side, we have this drop down just next to task, and by default all of these are selected on finish to start. It means that if task A is finished, the task B will start. And the second is start to start, means if task A is started, the task B will start. And the third is finish to finish, means if task A is finished, the task B will also finish. And the fourth is start to finish, which is the last one. It means that if task A is started, the task B will finish, and that's all about it. By default they have selected finish to start, and we'll just leave that as it is just for the sake of this video, but you can just choose that according to you. And yeah, that's exactly how you can add dependency in monday.com. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.